Hi guys. I had a student asking a question about the project. I thought I'd just make a little intro video, not the whole thing, but just getting these grades set up. So this is from a project in the summer, so don't use these numbers. But I think this gives you a good kind of overview of what it should look like. You don't have to organize it this way, but basically you have over here well, you have the raw scores, then you have the official grade, and then over here you have the alternate grade. A couple of things you can do to check that you've done this correctly. Number one, your grade here should be responsive to the grade changes here, right? So this number is 71.29. If I retake this quiz and I get a 20, then that changes this score because it changed my quiz average, which changed this, which changed this. So that's the cell reference flow as it's going through there. I'm going to change this back to 5 here. There's a mistake. There's a couple mistakes here. And I think, well, let's find out. So if this is 40, I change it to 50, changes the grade, great. If I change this to 80, no change. And the reason there's no change is because this person accidentally typed this number in to their grade table. And that means that when I make changes here, it doesn't impact this number here. See, this is 80 now, but this number is still 61. So what I want to do is I want to use a cell reference when I do that so that now the grade updates. And that's kind of the big idea behind this whole project, is that this is a fake student, so who cares? But you're going to get your grades in the second sheet. I'll just give you a little peek at it, right? And then you're going to do your own grade calculations and see what comes up. Now, by the time you have enough grades in the semester to put in here and have a meaningful calculation, it's going to be fairly late in the semester. You're still going to have to make some changes to what's actually there to see what you get, but you're going to get an official grade and then you're going to get an alternate grade. And that'll give you the opportunity to play around and see, the student was going to get a D, could she get a C if she did something different? So don't worry about the coloring and the format and everything. Just focus on getting these numbers in and getting those calculated. Remember, this is just a weighted average. You've got your weights, you've got your averages, which are coming through here, and then you multiply to get your contributions and you add down. I will say that these numbers here, you don't have to, once you've got the averages done once, you can just bring these numbers down. So this student did that here. Look, this 68.375 is the same as this one. That's because they used a cell reference, M10, to get this number out, right? And the nice thing is, once you've done that once, if I delete all of that, as long as these are in the same order, which they are, then I can just use the autofill to bring all of the numbers down and across. Okay. I think that's all I want to say about the project. Get that first sheet done and submitted to me. I'm going to put a due date online so that I can look at it and give you feedback and say, this part needs to be fixed up. So that'll be a nice checkpoint. And then you really can stop worrying about project one until the end of the semester. All right. See you guys later.